This is a flight from CYBW to CEN2. That's Calgary Springbank to Bassano, Alberta. Part of the reason for this flight is I wanted to put the bike in the plane, and this was the first time I had the bike folded up and put in the plane, and I had a few things I had to do in Bassano, and the bike worked out really well. So the bike, this is a Montague, it's a Paratrooper Pro, and it is a full-size folding bike. So in contrast to some of the other folding bikes in which, you know, they have tiny little wheels and a little bit of a clown bike look, this is a full-size bike, and I'm not, you know, really a bike guy, but you know, from a kind of rudimentary opinion point of view, it actually is a pretty good bike. It rides, of course, just like a normal bike. It's got a suspension. It's very rugged and strong. You certainly could use it for some light off-road kind of stuff, and it's pretty comfortable to ride around as well. It folds up pretty well. You know, it certainly doesn't fold down as small as one of the very small bikes, but it does fit in the back of the Skymaster no problem. So with the bike all folded up, it goes in the bag. It all goes in the back seat or behind the back seat, and we're off to Bassano.
Whiskey, Kilo Kilo, contact terminal now on 128.7.
1287, Whiskey Kilo Kilo.
104, coming up. So Papa Golf Tango, Calgary Terminal Squawk it in, and follow Highway 22 up on about 6,500.
Follow about 6,500, follow Highway 22, Papa Golf Tango. Calgary Terminal, Skymaster Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo is off Springbank, 5,500 with VFR to Bassano, requesting 7,500.
Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo, Calgary Terminal Squawk it in, maintain 5,500 for now.
Maintain 5,500, Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo.
Terminal Skyhawk Sierra Tango Charlie, westbound 5,400 VFR.
Sierra Tango Charlie, Calgary Terminal Squawk it in, on about 6,500.
Not about 6,500. Sierra Tango Charlie.
Chinook 33, turn right heading 190.
Right turn 190, 933.
Lima Lima Victor, surveillance is terminated, clear en route.
Good on route, Lima Lima Victor.
Whiskey Kilo Kilo, not about 7,500 off your left hand side, about a mile is the 172 there at 6'5".
Not above 7,500, looking for traffic, Whiskey Kilo Kilo.
Whiskey Yankee Bravo just passing off your right hand side about a mile as they southbound VFR aircraft. They're going to be climbing to 75.
So east side and then 7,500, Whiskey Yankee Bravo. Departure Chinook 44 is with you, 5,500, climbing 7,000.
Chinook 44, Calgary departure identified, climb 17,000.
17,000, Chinook 44.
Whiskey Kilo Kilo, surveillance is terminated, cleared en route.
Cleared en route, Whiskey Kilo Kilo.
Chinook 44, turn right direct, have blue.
Right direct, have blue, Chinook 44.
Yankee Echo Hotel, 10 o'clock, 3 miles to the southbound 172, 500 above.
Thank you, Saudi, looking for traffic.
Roger.
Bassano traffic, Whiskey Kilo Kilo, turning final 07.
Old district traffic, Cessna 132, contact airport south.
500.
Bassano traffic, Whiskey Kilo Kilo, backtracking 07.
So this is Bassano Airport, and it's a pretty quiet place. When I was there, I didn't see a single other airplane come and go. Of course, there are other airplanes based at the field here. But overall, it's actually a pretty good airport, right at the start of the Canadian prairies. So I got the bike unfolded, and it's a pretty quick ride from the airport into the little town. For a small town, Bassano actually has some pretty good amenities. They have a really good outdoor pool, and this is a great one on a hot day like it was on this day. They also have a little golf course. It's hard to see from just this quick ride up the road beside it. I believe it's a par 3. I haven't golfed it. There is, of course, also the town center of Bassano. There are some restaurants, and I think there's a pub or two, but I didn't tour them on this day. I headed back to the airport.
Bassano traffic, Skymaster Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo, entering runway 07. We'll be departing to the northwest. Bassano Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo. Bassano Whiskey Kilo Kilo is on the roll, runway 07. to the right, you're coming up.
Speed 5,000 feet, temperature 18, speed point 6, altimeter 29999. Approach.
AOT Charlie, Roger, maintain speed 200 knots. Speed 009, 5 Anyway, Charlie, actually, bring it 200 left if you want. Speed 200 left, 35 left.
Calgary Terminal, Cessna 172, go share with Charlie. Is over average rate 2,000 hours, faster morning at 3,000 feet. Keep on working.
Copy, just going to Charlie, Calgary, close clock today. Give me 100.
Nova, runway 0826 close, at 2130 Zulu, 2, at 1330 Zulu, sailing, inform ATC that you have information echo.
Calgary Terminal, Skymaster Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo, north of Madden 6000, inbound for Springbank with Echo.
Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo, Calgary Terminal squawking in. Proceed straight in 17 to Springbank, maintaining 6,000. You're identified.
Straight in for 17, maintaining 6000, Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo.
Roger, Horizon 2036, proceed direct Dumra.
Cessna Horizon 2036.
Washington 221, contact eminence center 132.85. 3285, Washington 221. Indy Alpha Zulu, surveillance terminates, contact Springbank Tower 118.2. Whiskey Kilo Kilo, I'll get you reduced the speed by 20 knots now, please. You are following an IFR Cirrus, just starting the approach by Magmo. That traffic's about 3 miles ahead, 1,000 feet above.
We'll reduce speed 20 knots and looking for traffic, Whiskey Kilo Kilo.
Roger, I'll keep you advised.
Terminal Cessna 172, go back up Bravo 6000, north goes 3 inbound full stop with Foxtrot.
Golf Echo Bravo Bravo, Calgary Terminal squawking in. Proceed inbound North Coast route, maintain 6,000. Whiskey Kilo Kilo, contact Springbank Tower 118.2. Your speeds are matched with the Cirrus.
Over to 1182, Whiskey Kilo Kilo, good day.
Good day.
Springbank Tower, Skymaster Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo, 6000, inbound for a full stop.
Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo, Springbank Tower, squawking in, runway 17, 120, 15, good 20, altimeter 29996. Cleared straight in, descend below 5,500, you identified.
Cleared straight in, not below 5,500, Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo.
Whiskey Kilo Kilo number 2, now 170 to be following the Cirrus, mile and a half miles.
Number 2, Whiskey Kilo Kilo.
Whiskey Kilo Kilo Tower 11206, clear to line runway 17.
Clear to line 17, Whiskey Kilo Kilo.
Whiskey Kilo Kilo Tower, exit Charlie, contact ground off 129.
Whiskey Kilo Kilo.